the fifth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Fish stew.
Good afternoon, loves. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Vivian Odhiambo. If you're new here, karibu sana. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell to be part of the family. So today I'm showing a very simple, easy, everyday recipe to make fish stew. So without any further ado, let's go right into it. So the ingredients are 1 large tomato because it's only one fish, 1 coriander, 1 large onion, Royco cube, and garlic. In a frying pan, put in the onions and add in a little oil. Wait for the onions to cook a little bit before adding your garlic, because you know garlic gets brown faster than the onions. Then just wait for both of them to be golden brown, then we'll add the rest of the ingredients.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small.
So now we are ready to add in some water. We waited for all the ingredients to simmer for around 5 minutes. And remember, we are adding in some water, not an entire river, not an entire dam. You're just putting in enough to serve your stew and still maintain the taste of the fish. And wow, this camera is exaggerating the amount of vegetable oil in this stew, man. This is exaggerating. Or is it because it has cold water? Add in some salt and then put in your fish. Cover it, let it simmer for a few minutes. Now we are almost ready to plate. Total cook time was 25 minutes. See, not time consuming, but very easy, simple. Anyone can do this. So I'm going to serve this with ugali and mboga ya kienyeji. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell. Let me see you on my next one. Bye bye.